build up these items and utilize them as your website using your Facebook profile, which is free. Okay, that was simple. You don't make a lot of money now, Amazon. For the sake of demonstration, let's pretend I'm selling the book, A Nathan, which cost around $20. What would you make if you earned 10% of that? It costs $2. Selling and recommending books to people will not make you a millionaire until you make more than 10% profit. So, the affiliate network that I really like is Clickbank, which you can find right here. There are a lot of affiliate networks out there, but Clickbank is the most reliable and oldest of them all. It's been around for 21 years. It's situated in Boise, Idaho, and it's the affiliate network where I made my first commissions, where many others have made their first commissions, and where I currently make the majority of my money. Now, if we go to Affiliate Marketplace, we'll see all of the products that can be sold on a commission-only basis. So let's see how many things we can find by clicking this search icon right here. Now, you'll notice that the marketplace has over 4,500 products. Let's take a closer look. As a result, you have a lot of possibilities of what do you want to sell. So, what are you going to sell to make a lot of money? Okay, and you'll notice that they'll tell you how much money you'll make as an affiliate if someone buys what you're selling. You see, if you sell this, you'll make $37. If you sell this, you'll get $56. If you sell this for $41, you'll make $41. It's possible to make a lot of money by selling these various items. Now, in order to discover something that you connect with, I recommend that you start on Amazon, okay? I personally sell business opportunity type items, but what I say is that you start there, okay? As I previously stated, the best method to make a lot of money is to use an affiliate network other than Amazon. But for the time being, let's start with Amazon for demonstration purposes. Is that all right? Is that all right? Okay, that's okay. Sorry, I didn't hear you for a brief moment. So, let's return to Amazon. Now, I'm going to go to Amazon.com, and once again, let's pretend I want to start out by advertising this book, A Nathan, which is a book I'm currently reading, and it's a fantastic novel. And we're going to look it up on Amazon. So, let's see what happens. Okay? Yeah, it's $9. Okay, I'll take $9 right now. So I'm going to click on the book, and you'll see that once you've been accepted into the affiliate network, you'll see this tiny bar. It says Amazon Associates Site Strip right here. Hey, Gus.